I made all of this from Trader Joe's for Korean dishes for $20. It's really possible. Let's make it together. First, the seafood pancake. Cut the green onions into bite-sized pieces. Thinly slice a little carrot. Drain the calamari and set it aside. The ingredients are really simple. Add 1 cup of pancake mix and about 3/4 cup of water. Mix well. Try not to add too much water. Heat up pan and add a generous amount of oil. Spread the batter thinly. Thin is key for a crispier texture. Crack 1 egg on top and spread it out. When the bottom is golden, flip it over. Add a little more oil if needed. Cook until both sides are crispy and golden. Mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a little honey or sugar for the sauce. 1 teaspoon of gochugaru is so good when you dip it in this sauce. Next, tofu tuna stew. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tuna fish sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, half tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon gochugaru, half tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon gochujang, a little pepper, and 1 cup of water. Mix well. It's easier to mix the sauce all at once. Slice half an onion. Cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. This tofu is really soft and has a nice texture. Layer the onion first, then add the tofu. And place the drained tuna in the center. Add some green onions. Pour in the sauce. Simmer over medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. It's so simple, just let it simmer. It goes really well with the rice. Third, crispy sweet potato fry. Slice the sweet potatoes with the skin on. Place them in a bag. Add 3 tablespoons of frying mix and shake well. This way you don't have to coat them one by one. Put 1 cup of frying mix with 3/4 cup of water. Add a little parsley for better color. Add about 1 cup of oil to the pan. Dip each piece in the batter and fry. Fry slowly over medium heat. When golden, take them out. For extra crispness, you can fry them one more time. Last, tteokbokki. This is Trader Joe's tteokbokki. You can make it as is, but today I'll make it more flavorful. Cut the cabbage into large pieces. Slice the onion and fish cake into bite-sized pieces. Prepare green onions, sausage, and eggs as well. Add 1 cup of water to the sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The sauce is a bit sweet, so I added some soy sauce. Add the rice cakes and all the prepared ingredients. Let it cook until the sauce reduces by about half. Add the green onions and cook for another 30 seconds. This makes it more balanced and flavorful. Today I made 4 Korean dishes with just $20. Which one was your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate a like. See you in the next video.